The Pearl of the Orient awaits, a smart traveler's guide to Shanghai. Imagine standing on the Bund at dusk. Behind you, elegant Art Deco buildings glow softly. Across the Huangpu River, futuristic skyscrapers light up like a science fiction skyline. Nearby, a street vendor flips jianbing with practice speed while locals practice Tai Chi in the park and business people rush past in tailored suits. This is Shanghai, a city where history and the future exist side by side. You can wander a Ming Dynasty garden in the morning and sip cocktails at a rooftop bar by night. From fishing village to global megacity, Shanghai was a small fishing town just over a century ago. Today, it's one of the world's most influential cities and China's financial powerhouse. Mandarin Chinese is the official language, though many older residents speak Shanghainese. English is not widely spoken outside hotels and tourist zones, but metro signage and announcements are bilingual, making transport straightforward. China's currency is the renminbi, RMB, commonly called the yuan. Notes range from 1 to 100 yuan. However, you may barely use cash at all. China's cashless reality. China skipped widespread credit card use and moved straight into mobile payments. Alipay and WeChat Pay are used everywhere, from luxury malls to street stalls. Buy a Shanghai transportation card at any metro station. It works on subways, buses, taxis, and in some stores. Cash backup. Carry a small amount of cash for emergencies or very local shops. ATMs that accept international cards are common, though fees vary. Essential apps. Your survival kit. Your phone is your most important travel tool. WeChat, messaging, payments, reservations. Didi Chuxing, ride-hailing with English interface. A map or Baidu Maps. Google Maps is unreliable. Jianbing, restaurant reviews and menu photos. VPN, required for Google, Instagram, WhatsApp. Metro apps, Metroman.org. Explore Shanghai Metro. Air quality apps, pollution levels can change daily. Set everything up before you arrive. When to visit and getting around. Best time to visit: spring, March and May, and autumn, September, November. Offer mild weather. Avoid the Chinese New Year and Golden Week, October 1st to 7th, due to crowds and high prices. Getting around metro: fast, cheap, clean, and extensive. Didi or licensed taxis, best for direct trips. Walking, ideal in central areas like the Bund and French Concession. Avoid rush hours, 7:30 to 9 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m., when trains are extremely crowded. Where to stay: People's Square and the Bund Historic and Central, close to major attractions. Options range from luxury hotels to budget hostels. French Concession. Tree-lined streets, Art Deco villas, cafes, and boutiques. Popular with expats and creatives. Jing'an District. The Jing'an District is central, lively, and packed with shopping, restaurants, and nightlife, with excellent metro connections. Pudong. Pudong is a modern financial district filled with skyscrapers. Hotels often offer better value but feel more business-oriented. Budget tip: platforms like Trip and hostels such as Blue Mountain Bund are good, affordable options. Top places to visit: the Bund, iconic waterfront and skyline. Contrast U Garden, classic Ming Dynasty garden, go early. Shanghai Tower, observation deck at 632 meters. Visit on clear days. Nanjing Road, China's most famous shopping street. Shanghai Museum, world-class art collections, free entry. Jade Buddha Temple, active monastery with historic statues. Transifang, artsy lanes in traditional Shikuman houses. Less touristy spots. Dwaluan Road, cultural street, quiet, historic, literary. Chibo, ancient town. Canal Town, reachable by Metro M50. Art District, contemporary galleries and studios. Huangpu River Ferry, cheap ride with unbeatable skyline views. The food scene: Shanghai cuisine is known for slightly sweet, rich flavors. Must-try dishes: Xiaolong Babo, delicate soup. Dumplings: Shengjianbao, pan-fried, crispy dumplings. Hongxiao Ru, sweet braised pork belly. Hairy crab, seasonal autumn delicacy. Shanghai Noodles, thick, stir-fried comfort food. Where to eat Lost Heaven, stylish Yunnan cuisine Jessie restaurant, classic Shanghainese dishes Mr. and Mrs. Bund, French fusion with Bund View street food near Yu Garden, Jianbing, stinky tofu, grilled squid. Vegetarian should look for Buddhist vegetarian restaurants, especially near temples. Shopping and tea luxury shopping Nanjing Road and Huaihai Road high-end malls like Plaza 66 and Shanghai IFC markets Chipu Road clothing market, bargaining expected Dongtai Road antique market, mostly reproductions Transifang, art, jewelry, and handmade souvenirs tea visit reputable tea shops with clear pricing. Avoid places aggressively targeting tourists near attractions. Common scams to avoid: art student scam, politely say bu yao and walk away. Tea ceremony scam, stick to well-known tea houses. Fake taxes, use DD or official teal taxes. Inflated restaurant bills, confirm prices before ordering. Practical tips: SIM cards, buy at the airport, passport required. Tipping, not expected in everyday situations. Bathrooms, carry tissues. Squat toilets are common. Pedestrian safety, watch for silent e-bikes. Water, do not drink tap water. Emergency numbers: police, 110 ambulance, 120 English helpline, 962,288 day trip. Suzhou, classical gardens and canals, 30 minutes. Hangzhou, West Lake and tea fields, 45 minutes. Shanghai is intense, fast-paced, and endlessly fascinating. In a single afternoon, you can move from ancient temples to glittering skyscrapers. Tradition and technology coexist in ways found nowhere else. Bring patience, curiosity, and a fully charged phone. Shanghai rewards travelers who embrace its rhythm and respect its culture. The Pearl of the Orient is waiting. Welcome to Shanghai.